మూవీకి ప్రీమియర్ షో చూడడానికి టికెట్స్ తీసుకొని ఆర్టీసీ ఎక్స్ రోడ్ లో గల సంధ్యా థియేటర్ 70mm థియేటర్ కి అందరము రాగా అప్పటికే థియేటర్ మొత్తము క్రౌడ్ తో నిండిపోయినది. అయితే అందరము 9:40 PM సమయంలో సినీ హీరో అల్లు అర్జున్ గారు సంధ్యా 70mm థియేటర్ కి రావడంతో తన యొక్క పర్సనల్ సెక్యూరిటీ వారు క్రౌడ్ ని తోయడం వలన థియేటర్ లో బాల్కనీ హాలులో గల నా భార్య రేవతి మరియు కొడుకు శ్రీతేజ్ ఊపిరాడక స్పృహ తప్పి కింద పడిపోవడంతో అక్కడున్న పోలీసు వారి సహాయంతో వారిద్దరు దగ్గరలో ఉన్న దుర్గా దేశ్ముఖ్ హాస్పిటల్ కి చికిత్స నిమిత్తం తరలించారు. Just land senior counsel submitted. Even police people also watching the movie. Is not correct.
Where are the security people of Allu Arjun? They'll be with him or they'll be monitoring the crowd.
But this is a personal security. 3-4 people are with them. The police have to monitor the other crowd.
Even police people also watching the movie.
Allegation is that the security people pushed the crowd.
Yes.
So I am having a doubt whether security people are with the Allu Arjun or with the crowd.
This is the victim. One of the victims complaint. అప్పటికే నా భార్య మరణించినదని తెలిపినారు. అయినా నా కొడుకుని మెరుగైన చికిత్స నిమిత్తము కిమ్స్ హాస్పిటల్ కి బేగంపేటకి తరలించినారు. కావున ఎటువంటి ముందస్తు ప్రణాళిక లేకుండా సరి అయిన వసతులు కల్పించకుండా ఎక్కువ మందిని లోపలికి పంపి మాకు సీట్లు లేకుండా చేసి మమ్మల్ని
You have the permission letter. You have the permission letter because without any permission they're saying.
I think permission was been granted,
Permission not as far as permission is concerned, your lordship, my respectful submission is I've read out a GO. The GO very clearly states that these people have the authority to run the show. The GO was issued on the 29th of November. Subsequently, your lordships, on the second.
With regard to this movie.
Yes, your lordship. Subsequent to I've read out.
I think I've seen.
I'll draw your lordship's attention. There was paragraph number 2. Subsequent to the GO of 29/11, your lordships, the theatre management has given a letter to the police saying that we're going to be screening this movie on the 4th and on the 5th, pursuant to the GO. They was therefore provide us additional bandobast. Now, your lordships, there is a stamp. Now, in the remand case diary, what they say is there is no prior information. They do not say that they approached us, we did not give you permission. They say that no prior information was there. Prior information was there. I placed it on record. Page number 13 is the letter to the ACP.
GO is placed in your.
And page number 14, your lordships.
Criminal petition.
In the other petition, the GO is being paid.
Page number 14, your lordships.
Page 14.
Page 14, your lordships may take it. 15183, your lordships. Your lordship got page 14.
Yes.
Paragraph number 2, your lordships. To screen 2 additional stores at 1 AM, 4 AM on 5/12 in all theatres across Telangana with high rates mentioned in para 3. To allow a high rate, your lordships, they say that you screen the movie prior to the official date. They say that you increase the number of shows. They say that you increase the theatre rates. And subsequent to this GO, your lordships, we've gone to the police on the 2nd of December. It is not the case that, your lordships, we did not inform the police. We told them, your lordships, my specific representation is on page 13. I'll again read it for your lordships' kind benefit. 13, he says, because there will be heavy fans crowd. Pushpa 2 on 4, because the hero, heroines and VIPs and production units of the film are coming. To say that Allu Arjun was not coming, your lordships, is not true. We intimated. As far as the petitioners in 15183 are concerned, your lordships, they've informed the ACP that these particular people will come. There will be heavy crowd. So therefore, give us bandobast. Even in the remand case diary with respect to A1 and A2, your lordships, it is a replication of the remand case diary of A11. They again say negligence.
My lord, this whatever.
4913.
Yes. You said, had it been that we did not inform them or.
My lord, whatever they placed the my lord, is not GO memo. But memo, my lord, even we are not, my lord, they are permitted to screen the cinema but not, my lord, even in respect of allowing the, my lord, Allu Arjun and other cinema actors, and that is the main issue. He is, my lord, this memo nothing to do with this issue. They are,
Allu Arjun,
they are allowed to screen.
Allu
Allowed
Arjun
to screen
is
the
a
benefit show.
And with great respect, your lordships, we cannot prohibit a film star to come to our theatre, your lordships.
No, see here,
Well,
hero, heroine and VIPs and production unit
Yes,
of the film are coming to see the movie.
We've intimated 2 days prior, your lordships.
Well, whole intimation was rejected according to my lord.
Where is that?
Well, I will place.
Your lordships, if there's nothing in the
Earlier he said you were informed not the actor to not to come to this. Again it was rejected.
Let at the final, my lord, my only I submit, my lord, I will close. Let this is a quash petition. So far, my lord, now according to only oral information, what, my lord, we got the, my lord, WhatsApp message, my lord, which is the petitioner, my lord, accused before lordship, already remanded and sent to the jail. And in respect of still, my lord, you want to move the, my lord, regular bail, my lord, the separate forum is there. That is my submission. Regarding the my friend, my lord, in respect of where total 7 petitioners were
Who are
moved.
arrested.
Out of the 7, my lord, 2 were arrested. My lord, remaining persons, my lord, will file a detailed counter. Even they are not entitled to any relief because it is a 105 is applicable. That is my humble submission.
only one final request.
Kindly, my lord, still this honorable court, my lord, finalize the issue in respect of 482. My lord, kindly heard the matter at a convenient date. My lord will file the detailed counter. What happened? What was the, my lord, they did the untoward incident. My lord, one, my lord, live gone, my lord, complainant wife died, young girl.
But only one
Even,
minute.
my lord, one more, sorry, my lord. Even boy also hospital is still on ventilator. My lord, complainant son, already wife died. Complainant son still in, my lord, ventilator.
Only 1 minute in reply. But while this
My
will
lord,
not
it is
be
not a fit case to grant any relief, my lord. That is my humble submission.
but while the loss can never be compensated, I have been informed, my lord, that the production team is taking care of all the hospital expenses. Some nominal amount has been also been announced by them for the purpose of showing their regret only. That is with regard to what my learned friend was mentioning. But my lord, I have only one submission and I am concluding with this in reply. At this stage, my lord, in terms of Arnab Goswami's case, I am conscious your ladyship may have to give the public prosecutor an opportunity, but Supreme Court says prima facie case interim bail to be considered by the High Court. Their Bombay High Court failed to do it, so Supreme Court corrected it. But one other conclusive submission that I am making for ladyship is, like in Bandi Sanjay's case, because tomorrow is Saturday and day after tomorrow is Sunday, if your ladyships are persuaded by our arguments, and we are fervently praying that your ladyships may grant interim bail, ladyship may kindly consider directing, my lord, a personal bond to be given to the jail superintendent because he has been remanded to judicial custody for 14 days now. So, my lord, personal bond to the jail superintendent can result in what the Supreme Court wanted to achieve. No deprivation of personal liberty even for a day. If we are persuading your ladyship, that's my fervent prayer. I'm so grateful, your ladyship. I was just very happy when I was reading that Lord Denning's judgment in Arnab Goswami's case, ladyship, where the Supreme Court said that when someone comes and says this, the courts need to put everything aside. Your ladyship have been, in fact, your ladyship, you're completely right. In the morning, your ladyship said something to me. If it was a common man, I would have granted it. Because he's an actor, I'm not granting. Then I told your ladyship, no ladyship, you can't do it. You can't do reverse discrimination. Treat him like a common man. Don't treat him like a film star.
Yes, yes.
My friend is wrong.
During my lunchtime, it was pricking me.
Yes,
Being an actor, he cannot be deprived.
Yes, my lord.
Because I have openly said it was a common man, I would have granted.
Correct. Ladyship are completely right. Therefore, I said, please treat him as a common man, grant him what
One
Supreme
more
Court gave.
aspect in this, the ingredients of the offence are not attracted in the face of it.
Correct.
Prima facie,
Culpable
based
homicide.
on the complaint, prima facie